Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the 9th standard first unit test answer paper. Let's have a look. The first question is about Responde. It is a 5-mark question. You have to solve 5 out of 7 questions. If you solve all the 7, the best 5 should be given the marks. Give marks to yourself for the best 5. Now, how do I mark myself? The first sentence, the first answer. J'étudie les sciences, l'anglais, le français à l'école. Okay. If the article is missing in any of the subject, you have to cut half mark for that. Second question. J'aime la pizza et les frites. The 2 fast foods. Okay. If again the same rule, if the article is missing, you have to cut half mark for the article. In the third answer, Disneyland in Florida, if the preposition en is missing, or you have taken any other preposition, you have to cut half mark for the same. Fourth answer, in France, of what les elephant au zoo. Okay. Again, the same rule, any word missing out of the main answer is au zoo. Any word missing, you have to cut half mark. Any other answer will be given wrong. The fifth answer, le weekend, on the weekend, je fais du shopping et je joue avec mes amis, je fais mes devoirs. Okay, these are the 3 activities which have been mentioned in the answer paper of the master key. Any framing mistake in the answer, you have to cut your marks, half mark for each mistake. 2 fishes, sixth answer, la orca, la dolphin, la reckon, la fork. These are the maximum number of fishes you have learned in your second chapter. If the article is missing, you cut half mark for the article. And the last answer, quand j'ai soif, je bois de l'eau. When I'm thirsty, I drink water. You can even write juice. That's it, juice. If the partitive article is wrong, you cut half mark for the same mistake. Let's come to grammar. The first answer, you have to conjugate the verbs in the tense indicated. The first answer, Michel Ettuba, dit, D-I-T-E-S is the only answer. Any other answer, spelling mistake, wrong answer. Second answer, V-O-I-E-N-T, voir, verb, third person feminine plural, masculine plural, sorry. Any other answer will be given wrong. Third answer is futur proche in the interrogative. So, allons nous visiter. Any other framing of the answer for this, any other framing of this answer will be given as a wrong answer. The framing has to be in this manner because it is interrogative, CV-ST. Fourth answer is imperative. The verb is prendre and mon ami indicates a tu form. Okay, prendre mein you don't drop the S because it is an RE ending verb. In case you have dropped the S, you have to give yourself a wrong answer. And the last answer, attendez-vous, RE ending verb, simple answer. Any spelling mistake, wrong answer. Again, the same rule applies. Since you are doing 4 on 5, you can give marks for the best 4 answer or for the any 4 correct answers. Let's come to chronotonic. The first answer, nous allons au marché avec EUX. Any other answer will be given as wrong. Second answer, Louis is the only answer. Any other answer will be given wrong. And the third answer, QU apostrophe ELLES. If the apostrophe is missing from your answer, you will cut half mark for the same. I hope I'm clear. Come to question number C, which is about superlative. You follow the formula. La, moi, active, they, fill, du, group. Any mistake in the framing of this answer, you have to follow these words only. Any mistake in this, you have to cut half mark. In case there are 2 mistakes, 1 mark, no mark for the answer. Again, last one, la plus longue. If your longue is wrong, you will cut half mark. Any other mistake in the framing of the answer will be cutting half mark. Okay. Comparative, plus, belle, que is the main answer. Beau changes to belle. In case you have not changed the gender of the adjective, you will give yourself a wrong answer. And the same rule for the second, aussi delicious que. Any mistake in the gender, a wrong answer. Because gender is what is the main thing. Adjective, agreement of the adjective with the noun qualified is the main thing of comparative and superlative. Question number E. Qualificative adjective. Since fille is a feminine singular noun, your answer can be belle, ondienne, intelligent, grande. Extra E is not there, answer will be wrong. Mettez au féminin, cette actrice est intelligent. Feminines, we follow a simple rule, half mark cut for every mistake. In case there are 2 mistakes, 1 mark cut and you get no marks. The same rule applies for plural, half mark cut for each mistakes. Any mistake twice, any if you're done in 2 mistakes, you'll be cutting half mark for each mistake. You have to follow the answer given in the AP. Your answer cannot vary for feminine or plural. Traducir en anglais, the last question. We follow a very simple rule. Please check your answer word by word as in the answer paper. For every 2 mistakes, cut half a mark, and for every 3 mistakes, cut 1 mark. All the very best. Enjoy paper checking.